Make your digital journey simpler, smarter, and secure with Belden. We're constantly innovating solutions to your toughest networking and connectivity challenges, including a data transmission solution designed specifically for conditions of railway rolling stock environments. First, get maximum bandwidth and speed with the Hirschmann BXP Bobcat with up to 28 ports, including up to 6 10 gigabit Ethernet ports. Next, add the Lumberg Automation M12 push-pull connector. Its simple, fast-locking contacting method is ideal for tight spaces, guaranteeing connectivity with no screwing in or tools required. The connector provides exceptional ingress protection, preventing the entry of external foreign substances and water, and surpasses standards for vibration, shock, and external force resistance to endure the harshest onboard conditions. Together, the Hirschmann BXP and Lumberg Automation M12 push-pull connector deliver flexibility, connectivity, and power to accelerate your digital transformation. With a compact design that fits in tight spaces onboard trains, you can minimize the number of switches to connect current end devices and capture more data. This switch offers advanced security and meets the high power demands of onboard devices with power over Ethernet. When your business needs a trusted solutions partner, turn to Belden. We create infrastructures that achieve results today and let you scale for the future. It's time to elevate passenger experiences. It's time to enhance sustainability through digital solutions. It's time to connect better with Belden.